Hello and welcome to the SAP Business Objects Web Intelligence training. My name is Amir Khan and I am PMP RMP certified Prince 2 practitioner, and I'm from the IT project management background, having more than 12 years of experience in the project management and more than 15 years in the training industry. So I will be your trainer for this SAP Business Objects course. If this is the first time you are going to work on the web intelligence, so this is the right training for you. Or if you have already worked on the SAP business objects and you want to enhance your skills, so that is the right course for you as well. By the end of the course, you will learn how to create new documents and new reports using the database. You will learn how to format the data tables, how to manage multiple queries, how to perform conditional formatting, how to use breaks and sorting the data. We will go through lots of details about the filters in queries and filters directly onto the tables. We will also be exploring the different type of input controls, different type of tables and charts, how to deal with multiple reports, how to create custom variables, and how to work with the element links. And you will be a proficient and professional user of the SAP Business Objects Web Intelligence. So without further delay, let's start the training.